Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Brian, and today we are going to do a build vlog. We're going to actually upgrade my system. It's already upgraded, so this is the aftermath of me upgrading the system itself. But I shot video and everything like that footage based on the actual upgrade itself. So just to get you guys up to speed, we replaced my Ryzen 7 2700 with a Ryzen 7 3700X. And then we also replaced my B450 Tomahawk Max motherboard. Actually, I said a non-Max version in my system. We replaced that motherboard with an x570 motherboard from Gigabyte, the Aorus Elite Wi-Fi version. As you'll see in the video, you'll probably notice that I actually have, when I'm doing the teardown, I actually had the Asus TUF Gaming x570 motherboard in there. And I actually had a bunch of footage showing me replacing the B450 Tomahawk with the TUF Gaming motherboard. And then once I got all that stuff set up, I end up having a ton of issues with temperatures, with not getting to maximum clock speed, stuff like that. Like, I just had a ton of issues with performance on that system. I tried troubleshooting it for days and days and days, and then eventually I just decided I was going to go out and try a different motherboard to see if maybe that's what the issue was. So I ended up going out and getting the Gigabyte Aorus Elite Wi-Fi version of the X570. Put it in, and ever since I've kind of set it all up, reinstalled Windows, all that good stuff. This one's been running perfectly fine. Temps are in check. Everything looks good. If you notice, also I also threw in the Gamma GT from Deep Cool to cool my CPU, which absolutely, if you ask me, looks absolutely stunning. And then I also threw in an additional M.2 drive. That's primarily the reason why I went with an X570 board, was to be able to have, well, it wasn't really for an X570, but I was looking for a motherboard that had two M.2 slots because I wanted to have an additional M.2. And I also have a ton of B450 boards, so I kind of wanted to try out an X570 one in my main rig, might as well, right? So today we're doing exactly that. We're going to go over, we're going to tear down, I'm going to show you the teardown of this system when I had the TUF Gaming motherboard in here and kind of had that all set up, and then I'm going to show you guys, of course, the rebuild of it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy videos like this. I will be doing the build vlog and explanation of how to build a PC on the $500 gaming PC coming up. That's the next build vlog I'll be doing. Hopefully that'll be out next week. I was planning on doing it for this week, but then I changed my mind because I needed to upgrade my system, so I decided to do this first. Anyways, that one will be coming out shortly as well. I just got all the parts and everything like last week, so we have that now. And then we also have quite a couple mouse reviews coming up. I actually have this guy right here. Let me reach for it. I have this guy right here. This is the G502 Lightspeed, and then I also have the Razer Basilisk Ultimate, and I think I have like the standard one coming in too, that I went out and purchased so I could do reviews on them for you guys. And then I also have the G602. I don't know if you guys are interested in that as well. So I'll be testing out a bunch of those. Obviously, it'll be those reviews will be coming out over weeks to come, because, well, I had to test them out and give you guys an honest opinion on them, like good review of them. So it'll take some time to get a gist of like what they are. So that's kind of like some stuff that's going to be going on over the next couple days. And I think that's about it. I think that's it. So enjoy the cinematic video of this, so the cinematic time lapse of this build. It's the first one I've ever done, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It's really important to get your guys' feedback. I want to know what I could add to it, take away maybe. I don't know. It's my first one I've ever done, so I'm excited for it. I had a lot of fun shooting it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. Alright guys, so that was my time lapse of me tearing down the system and putting in the new components to it. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know I had as I said before, the time lapse, I had a lot of fun doing it. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, but let me know why in the comments below. Also, I obviously didn't do any benchmarks or anything for the system because this is my main system. I think that you guys would be really curious about that. But if you guys want a video going over the benchmarks of my particular system, I can do that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments below as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Thanks.